Deep in one of those bar girls, I'll throttle you myself. Fine. 10 minutes, get your ass down here. Daff! Where the fuck are you? You said you'd be here? If you're in these deep in one of those bar girls, I'm gonna throttle you myself. Fine. Charlie. I'm sorry, Cariad. Better? Listen, I just wanted to talk about this, okay? If I remove the gag, you promise me you won't scream. I'm sorry, I just wanted to talk.
3 days.
What?
3 days. I've been tied up in some dingy fucking hole, thinking I'm gonna die, thinking one of the other families is using me to get to you. No. It was you. Why?
I just wanted to talk about all this stuff.
Talk?
All this stuff.
Just talk? Fucking kidnapping me to just talk?
Let me explain, Cariad Williams. I am the head of this family. I don't have to explain anything to you. But I'm going to. So this family can heal. I didn't mean for the boys to pick you up like that. I just had them do it so we didn't look weak to the police, to the other families. Do you understand? If they smell one drop of blood, they move in fast. I didn't mean for them to handle you that way. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, talk about what then?
I just wanted to talk about this. Look, I want to understand what made you queer, what made you this...
Trans? I'm not queer, I'm not strange. I'm transgender, Dad. Nothing made me this way, I just am.
But you're always hanging around with these gay boys and girls. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just I'm worried they've had an influence on you.
Yeah, and they understand me, Dad. They actually listen to me, listen to my problems. Most importantly, they don't try and kidnap me.
Okay, alright. Look, we'll come back to this. We'll move on for now, okay?
Fine. If this is you thinking me being transgender means I'll be no longer loyal to the gang, no longer loyal to you, then you're seriously missing the mark. How many times have I had to run the county lines for you?
Too many.
Exactly. How many times have I had to press on someone for you?
More than you should have.
Exactly. This isn't about anything else, Dad. I just want respect for who I am. I thought you, of all people, would understand that.